Okay, so first of all, I'm here to apologize to my YBO family, my fans, and to talk about Orishajo for me. So, Mokoto ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé màá kọ́ ní kẹ̀tẹ̀ má bínú. I'm very, very sorry if my post yesterday triggered anything. You know, I wasn't even referring to my fans, to be honest. Mokoto ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé àná mo ṣe release iṣẹ́ yìí bóyá ìjẹta bí. So àná mo kàn rí pé someone just tagged me randomly, tagged my movie and started saying all sorts of things about the movie, that the part 2 of Orishajo for me. I found it offensive because this person literally said, "Oh, I am a fan of you, blah blah blah," and all that. So I love page and I see that this person usually gives reviews of movies, but mo dem wo page around me anything, any share me at least kò lè burú tó kí gbogbo ṣẹ́ mi bad now, abi. I would have seen one of my movies, my review, it's BARNABAS, all done on this job, right? I did see it, and the next thing you are quick to make a video and tarnish my image and the job and my hard work. I put in a lot of money to produce this film. Timba Sosita, Mabami Khan, you know. So, nǹkan yẹn ló kàn trigger me. Though we've sorted it, everybody is okay, we are cool. I understand that it's not easy to buying data, watching film, and you don't like at the end of it, it can trigger anything, but at the same time, so first of all, Emma Binosimi, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to be rude to anybody. I'm not a rude person. If you know me personally, you know that I'm not a rude person. In fact, I hate being rude. I hate someone being rude to me, and I hate being rude. So I'm just on my own. In fact, I'm a very shy person. I'm just in my own lane, in my own space. I don't want wahala. So I understand your plight. I understand. But Shetuari, let me tell you something. Editor, while I'm content, editor àwọn editor ti fẹ́ pa mí. Àmì olórí editor mi ní orí editor ti fẹ́ bà tọ̀tá mi jẹ́. Nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nípa fíìmù yìí nìyẹn. Ṣé dẹ̀ rí nígbà tí alágùntàn yẹn, I got a lot of backlash, even though I'm not the owner of the job. I only showed it on my channel, you know. So all those things can make someone can trigger someone. I'm in a very sensitive state. Aside from solo, I am in a very sensitive state. Gbogbo ala ni nǹkan tá ń di pẹ̀lú outside social media, right? So ẹni bínú sí mi, ó ti wáyé báyìí. Ẹ máa gbà mí tọwọ́ tẹsẹ̀, ẹ máa bá mi wo fíìmù yìí, because without your support on this film, I don't know what to do. I honestly don't know what to do. So Orishajo for me, we're supposed to have a narrator's voice on it, because we shot it in a 2 different style. It can be vintage, it can be modern. So it is very, very interesting. I know that you're angry because coconut back was siramu. Do you understand? So oyeki ari gbogbo bó ṣe connect sí Jofumi is the present age. Eyejo is the ancestor. I don't know if that makes sense. So only bá ṣe shoot ẹ tó yẹ ká ṣe narration sí tó máa fi yé yín dáadáa. That was the mistake we made. The mistake. And then we sort of wrote it. I'm sure a lot of people passed it by, but even at that, I know you still did not understand. Emma Binu, Eyejo ancestor ni. Jofumi is a new different person. But nítorí pé àwa lọ ara wa ló ṣe wá rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Jofumi is a different person. Tó jẹ́ pé ancestor tẹ́ ṣe tẹ́ bá rántí pé òrìṣà ìgbàmbájọ yẹn ó máa wọnú. Ó máa ń dé ní certain time. So it's years after, many years after, òun lẹ padà rí ní modern age yẹn, so nǹkan tó fi wá jọ pé kò connect mọ́ra wọn ni. But ẹ bá wo fíìmù ẹ mọ̀ pé ó dùn, is just the connection, and I understand a lot of you just want us to do from ibi tó ti crow. Yes, it was supposed to be like that. It was supposed to be like that. I swear, it was supposed to be like that. Me, I go all out just to make you guys happy. You guys know I try. Nipa production, I'm trying my best. Emergency Yoruba, so I'm trying my best in production. I know the confusion is the fact that it didn't connect, and I'm sorry for it. I should have taken my time to make it more explainable. I just wanted to release this job to you guys so that
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí Yetunde Barnabas tí ó sọ nínú fídíò yìí. Ẹ gbọ́ bí ó ṣe bẹ àwọn fáǹsì rẹ̀ wípé kó má bínú, ẹ sì ti gbọ́ bó ṣe ṣàlàyé délẹ̀délẹ̀ lórí nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀.
ẹ mọ̀ pé mi ò pẹ́ release part 2 and everything, so